So guys, we just passed by Coco's to have some cappuccino. Yummy. And my view. Hey my angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am at Swahili Beach Resort. Who loves Swahili? So I've been wanting to come here for a very long time, and I wanted to stay here, but there's something that is happening. Our house is not yet ready. There's a lot going on, so I decided to spend the day over here today, and I'm super excited. So we're having lunch over here and we're swimming over here. So we've come for the day, and oh my god, this place is amazing. It looks like a castle. The beach is nice, but it's a bit rocky and all that, but it's very nice and very beautiful. The place is amazing. So we are going to have lunch. We've just ordered our lunch and we just reached here actually like 5 minutes ago, and I'll show you the place a bit, and you guys can spend the day with me. So if you guys want to see this video, then please keep watching. Love you. See the view. You get this view from the restaurant area. It's so beautiful. It's like you're just chilling on the beach, guys. Can you guys see that? I love this place. I will definitely come and stay here at night and show you guys the rooms and all that. Once I do that, definitely happening soon, guys. So the sand is so nice. I love this, guys. But I've tanned so much because I was in Baobab the other day, and yeah, I've tanned so much. Like, this is super dark for me. Can you guys see the swimming pool? So tempting. I'm going in right now. Pizzas are so good, guys. So yummy. I have shown you guys this. The crust is this thin, and I love it when the crust is so thin. And yeah, I just loved the pizzas. Yummy. Honestly speaking, yummy. And yeah, I'm just chilling right now before I go and swim and take a nice swim in this pool. Oh my god, the pool is huge! Guys, it's huge.
So welcome again to Swahili. This is our suite, executive suite. It's a room for our family of 4. Kids under the age of 12 years, 11, 10. They can occupy in this room. So this is our living room, the lounge area. Then inside we have the master bedroom, whereby we have a double bed for the parents. And then 2 beds for the kids who are under the age of 12, 11, and 10. So normally at night we do a turn down, mosquito nets on the rooms, and mosquito nets again on these other rooms. And then we do have the master toilets, which is an open bathroom place. So this is the Swahili bathtub. This is our Swahili bathtub.
Amazing. Oh, I'm in love.
And we do have a walk-in closet. We do have a walk-in closet here. This is a walk-in closet. Yeah?
Yeah, perfect.
So that makes it our suite, executive suite. And we have a preparation kitchen here. We do have our preparation kitchen. And we do have the guest toilet here. If you're having some visitors, this can be the toilet.
So guys, the people in Swahili are amazing people. They let me access the rooms and I got to see all the rooms and I was super excited to do that. And I love how the rooms are, guys, and always wear your mask. So yeah, I love how the rooms are, and I'm walking to the swimming pool. So I love how the rooms are. They're so nice. Oh my god, so luxury, guys. And I just wanted to let you guys know that this is a place to be and this is a place to come. Honestly speaking, I love this place. I want to stay here today, honestly, but I have things to do tomorrow. I'll definitely come here once all the work of the house and our shifting and everything is done. I'm definitely gonna come here for a night. Can you guys see how the pool is beautiful? I'm dying, guys, I'm dying. I hope you guys enjoyed my video as much as I enjoyed my day, guys. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe down below. And don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. And what more do you guys want me to do in Mombasa? I'm super excited. I love Mombasa. And yeah, except the weather is amazing in Mombasa right now. I wish it could stay like this the whole year. Like, honestly speaking, I love it. So yeah, I'm super excited to do more videos for you guys, and please leave your requests down below. Honestly, I see your requests and I also consider some requests and do them. So yeah, bye guys, and I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one.